Hello, today we are going to start with CSS. So, to write CSS, we need to make the HTML file. Let's do the setup. Okay, so I'm done with the setup. Let's add the meta tag. Okay, so there are three ways which we are going to use to write CSS. One is inline, which is going to be in the body. One is from the head, and one is from a different file. So, to write CSS, we first need to add the style tag over here, or we have to put h1, whatever we want this, and we have to put style, and over there we can put anything, or we have to go to a new file which has the .css tag, and over there we can write all the CSS, and then we have to link this file to this file. So we are going to use all the three ways. So let's just do the title first. Okay, so the first way, inline. Let's write hi, and over there let's write style, and there we will put our code. So let's see, color equals to red. We don't have to put the semicolon, but if we write another statement like color equals to red, then we do. So we will put the semicolon because we're going to write more. Let's save it and let's run it. So it's come as hi has come as red in color. Now let's try it in the different way. So the next way is putting the style tag over here. You don't have to put the type equals to text/CSS, but I will put it over there. We want this h1 tag to highs to be colored. So we can type h1, which means this h1. So and then over here we'll type color red. Over here you have to put the semicolon with no quotes. Let's save it and let's run it. And this time also it's coming high. It's coming red. Now there's another way like this which we are going to do. So now let's use the next type, which is let's link two files together. So let's go to the other file, which is css.css. You have to put this .css, otherwise it won't work. Then you have to save this file. Okay, so over here we don't have to put any style or this thing, like we don't have to put any style tag, but we don't even need to put all the HTML like this. Just need to type h1 brackets over here color and then equals to red. This will be the way we discussed, which was here, just that it's in a different file without style or HTML written. Let's save this file. Then to go to this file, we need to put a link tag. Link. Okay. So we have to type rel equals to style sheet, type equals to text/CSS, which we also have to put for the slide. And we have to put this because we need to tell them that this is a style sheet. We don't have to put this, we also have to put, but we have to put this. Over here we have to type where it is. So this is the css.css file. Let's type it down. css. css.css. Let's save it and let's run it. And it's come in black. That's because this thing might not be saved, or That's because, let's save it again, and it won't work. That's because, let's just run it. See, it's not run. That's because our CSS is not in the YouTube folder we had created. If it was in the YouTube folder, then it would have worked, but it's not. So we need to know where it is. So let's go to File Explorer or Finder. Let's open it. I know it was saved in the documents and it was called CSS. So right click it and go on properties and see where, let's see where is details. Okay, so here it is, folder path. Copy this folder path and then there are more details of this. Just copy this folder path and just paste it in. Okay, so let's write what it was. So it was, the place was called, if you are on Windows it would be C slash users slash users, whatever your username is, slash where it is, it's in the documents, slash. Then we have to type the file name. It is css.css, so css.css. Now let's save this and the other file, and now let's run it. And now it's red in color. So it's worked. It's in red. So I'll be using this way, which is the new file one. You can use any way you want. So right now this is gonna color all the h1 tags which we create, like hi again, and now it's gonna color it again like this. It's colored this. If we want only this one to be colored but not this one, that we have to use IDs and classes, which we will learn later. So all of these will be colored. But if you're using inline, like inside here, then you'll have to type the style for every tag you want to be with CSS. So okay, we want only one. So that's it. Now we have learned how to use CSS color property. Next video we will learn how to use the backgrounds. So we are done for today. Bye.